This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 99 of Building Optimus Prime from the Transformers. In this issue we're continuing, or finishing, the base, I think, and doing a little bit more of the gun. Merlin, Keeper of the Staff, yeah. Good stuff. Apologies for the lighting, but we've got some sunshine today, so, you know, it's happening. It's unusual, but, we'll have to put up with it. So yes, we're heavy as the head. Burdens of being Optimus, or Prime rather. I think Prime is his title and Optimus is just his name, isn't it really? Overload even, the spy who loved himself. Kings of the Combiners take centre stage in 2015. But it sounds like you have to get two that mix together. Scream and Soundwave, I know them, but they don't look quite the same as they do, but go. I don't know that they do combine, but sure. I don't know. If you do know, let me know. Put a note in the comments because I can't be doing the reading myself. The base part 3 and the Ion Blaster. We've got our logo to go onto the base and bits of a gun to make up. Every time I think the gun's finished, there's another little bit to it. But, So, yeah, looking at that. Oh, it feels like we've got those bits, didn't we? Anyway, yes. So, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get it done. So, the parts today, we've got our nice little plaque for the base, which we'll do in a bit. Part of the gun that we're not doing anything with. These two pieces are just popped together. Other part of the gun. I can't tell exactly where that goes, and we're not doing anything else with it. So that's that. We do need 3 of these screws. 3 though. We'll keep that one aside for later. And they are for the plaque, which goes onto our base. We've got the 3 little holes there. That lines up on that. Pushes in. I'd be happy with leaving it like that, but we've got some screws, so we may as well use them. We're just going to put the 3 screws in bottom there. Make sure that doesn't escape. So it was quite a nice fit anyway, so I wouldn't worry about really having to screw it together, but it says to. Who am I to disagree with the instructions? So we'll get those all tightened up in there, if I can get the screwdriver into that screw. There we go. That is that. I'm not sure. I quite like the plaque, but I also like the printed bit on all the other bases that we've got. But yeah, that'll do the job. In this pack that I've got delivered today, we have in fact got the post that will hold them all together, but we're not doing anything else with that today. So for now, I shall put these bits aside, and we'll see what's coming up next time. So thank you for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon for more. Bye bye for now. You